And Leah Mann is still with us. She's going to be the assistant youth ed director. So I'm going to hand it over to Marla. Welcome.
Thank
I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you. Thank you, Reverend Karen. I am so happy to be here. Thank you so much for allowing me to come in and serve the youth of our community. We have an amazing team, and I feel like I'm the luckiest person in the world because Leah is staying. She's an amazing talent, and we have so many things planned for you. The first thing I'd like to share, I'm going to just take one moment, is we have gotten together as the youth ministry staff and created a purpose for ourselves that we would like to share with you, because we want you to know that we love our children and we are serious about their education and their well-being. So this is something that we have all agreed to, and I'd like to share it with you and ask that you hold it for us. To cultivate a sense of belonging, belief, and bravery through fun and engaging, artful lessons that foster emotional intelligence, cultural literacy, healthy mind, body, spirits, as well as supportive community. By teaching and employing the practical tools of the Unity tradition. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah. Yeah, we're very excited. So a couple of things I'd like to say. We have an amazing team, including having Lewis Mason come back. Is Lewis here? No, he's not here. We are so honored. So we've got a beautiful, long depth of skill and experience for you, including starting with a camp that starts August 6th through the 10th. It's a mind, body, spirit camp, and we have a beautiful staff. And if you know children, please invite them to join us. We would love to have them there. And if you have any questions about youth ministry or you would like to volunteer, please come see me. We would love to include you. Thank you all. I really appreciate it. And thank you, Reverend Karen.
Welcome. We're so happy you're here.